Through my healthcare insurance, I was able to get my hands on a free at-home COVID-19 testing kit. And so that is what I'm going to be doing today. This is what it looks like. This is the box it came in. This is the company it's from. So I'm very excited about this and to see what it's like. And all I got to do is just open it, take the sample. I have to register my own personal kit to the website. So when the results come, I can just log in and look at the results instead of waiting for like a call or a text or anything like that. I can just go back into this site, open it up, and get my results from my at-home testing kit. I just take the sample and then I throw it in like I think a Fedex store or whatever drop-off point, and then they'll take it and get back to me within a week. It has this seal here, so I can just take off this strip and reseal the box when I'm returning it to FedEx. Oh yeah. So when I open it, this is what it says. And here are the instructions, and it also tells you what comes in the kit. This is what comes in this kit. And here are the instructions. It seems pretty simple, like easy to follow. So I'm excited to get this going, try it out, and see the results. And it gives you a lot of information, like everything you need. As for example, how to schedule a one-time FedEx pickup for my kit, so I can make sure I get it back to the right people in the quickest way possible too. They are not kidding. Like, they came ready. This is so cool. It takes all the hard work out of returning this kit. Okay, so this is my register card, and on the back is my register number, my own personal register number. I won't show that because that's just my personal number and I don't want anyone else using it. And I will also use the number on the back of this card to log in to look at my results. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. Like, this is no joke. Here is the saline solution, which I will put my sample in when I'm returning it to FedEx or the company. And here is a little package for the saline thing to go in per the instructions. All right, so it says first, read the instructions, register, visit FedEx, schedule stuff, wash and dry hands before opening the kit. Place, open your kit and place all the contents in a clean, dry surface. Done. Take the foam swab out of the package. Do not touch the tip of the swab with your hands. All right. They definitely don't make it easy to open this. It is in there. All right. Not touching it with my hand. Okay. Unscrew the top of the collection tube. Insert the tip of the foam swab into one nostril. It doesn't need to be inserted far, just until the foam tip of the swab is no longer visible. Rotate the swab in a circle around the inside of your nostril 3 times, at least 3 times. Take it out. Take it out of your nostril and put it in the other nostril. Remove the foam swab place in the tube, put in the bag, put in the box, and then put it in the FedEx container. Pretty simple. All right, let's give this a go. I'm just gonna open this now. When you put the foam swab in the tube, they want it to be foam side down because only one foam on one side, so it will go in like this. So it says, all right, take this. This is so nasty. Okay, and then all right, and then put this in there, seal it up, and let's get it back to FedEx so I can see my results. It is time for a Chick-fil-A break. I just dropped off my FedEx package at the location, and now it's time for lunch. So I'm trying their Peppermint Milkshake. It looks really cute. And they're all wet because it's so rainy out here, and I think it's snowing. And I got a sandwich and some fries. Of course, their waffle fries are the best. I just love them so much. Look at these beautiful chopsticks. I love everything iridescent, and these are metal and they're just so beautiful. I love them so much. My mom got them for me on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link to the product in the description box below so you can get your own. But aren't they so pretty? Like, they came in a pair of 5. And they came in this little box right here, so you have your own little container. I got them because I had these wooden ones here. But these wooden ones suck, but so hard. Like, they splintered and everything. They weren't even the kind that you break apart. Like, they were a pack of singles. But they splintered and they were just horrible. So I upgraded to these beautiful metal iridescent ones. And the cool thing is, these are square. That's a cool thing. And they also have round ones too, circular ones if you don't like the square shape to hang on to, but I do. And the round ones, I think, have texture right here for gripping. But these are just so beautiful and I love them so much. I'll be sure to leave a link to them in the description box below. I just got home from dropping off my at-home testing kit at the Fedex Center for the location. And I messaged one of my friends in Italy telling them I'm doing my at-home testing kit. And they messaged me back, I'm doing mine right now. So we're going to compare and contrast how our experiences went. Because I'm not sure if they have to register their kit, whether they drop it off at a mailing system like we do here, or anything like that. So it's going to be interesting to see how the testing, at-home testing in Italy is different or similar to at-home testing here in America. Because I don't know if the tests are all the same, I really don't. Or what kind of feedback or results they give, if it's going to be like the same type of criteria or rubric or anything like that. So I'm excited to see their results and compare and contrast them. So that's gonna be fun. I just got this peppermint chocolate milkshake. It was free on the Chick-fil-a app, and it's pretty good. Like, I love basically everything from Chick-fil-a, but I've never had their milkshakes before, so it's good to try something new for free and find out that you love it. It's great. So I was getting my centerpiece for my table ready this year. I got a bouquet of flowers a while ago in a little box, and so I just threw the flowers out because they're dead. They're old. And I wrapped the box in wrapping paper, and I put a fake tinsel tree inside of it with some little fairy lights, and that's gonna be my centerpiece this year, and I'm so excited. It's so cute. And I want to find some tiny little ornaments to also go on that tree to like fill it out and add some color and things like that. So that's what I'll be working on. This is the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm trying to ease into the Christmas decorating, because if it was my way, I would have been decorating like a month ago. My house would have been already ready for Christmas, but I resisted. I restrained myself, and I'm waiting until after Thanksgiving to go full out on Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I'm super excited. That you have no idea how excited I am for Christmas. Right now, I am doing, since we're on a home advisory here in Ohio, I'm doing, it's kind of like a virtual 30-day walk challenge with my friends. We basically walk or get as many steps in as we can, screenshot our pedometer apps or our activity fitness tracker apps, and then post it in our group chat. And our friend has a spreadsheet set up where she can document our steps throughout the week and everything. And this is, we're currently in day 4 of the 30-day challenge. And it's gonna be harder as the weather gets colder, but we specifically did it during this time because it's seasonal. It's easy to sit around and eat and, you know, like, just be lazy. We want to stay active. We want to do something fun together, even though we can't be together. So we thought of this 30-day friends challenge. Day 4, and it was hailing yesterday. It was like tiny light flurries today outside. So outside is not an option of a place to go walking. So I'm gonna probably attempt. I'm not gonna promise myself anything because I might not do it. I'm gonna attempt to do what is it? One of those like in-home march in place 1 mile walks. Like, there's a video on YouTube where you can like walk a mile and they just, I guess, talk you through it. I've never done before. I might try it. I don't know. I'll check a video out and see how boring or fun it is. If not, I'll just find some other way to get steps in. Maybe I'll just walk around Lowe's. I don't know. I need to go to Lowe's. I need to pick up some stuff for the house. I'm getting my house painted when the weather is good again. And I'm going to be going through all the colors. Like, I'm going to get a bunch of samples, just put them on the wall, and just look at them and see which ones I don't like, which ones I get tired of. I like taking my time with paint because I want it done once, and I don't want to have to do it again. So I have to do that. And I'm going to be painting my front door when the house is painted. The exterior of the house is painted. And I need to get a storm door. I have a list of renovations left for this house. I'm in my 2nd year of living here, but I still have a lot to do. A lot. And I'm just taking my time with it. So that's what I'm doing so far. For Thanksgiving tomorrow, we're having a very small quarantine bubble Thanksgiving. So it's just my mom, my brother, and his daughter. And we're going to be doing like Cornish hens and stuff. So I have that getting ready to take over to my mom's tomorrow. It's going to be just a really easy Thanksgiving, which I'm excited about. I'm just mostly concerned about how I'm going to get my steps in, because it's supposed to be cold and rainy today, tomorrow, maybe into the weekend as well, because today's Wednesday. I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I want to crush my own personal goals, and I want to get in as many steps as I can. But that's what's on my mind so far. I'm excited to see how the next few weeks of this challenge goes. It's just gonna get colder and the weather's just gonna get worse, so this is gonna be fun. Happy Thanksgiving! It is Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, and I woke up, I started to get some of the sides that I'm responsible for this Thanksgiving for my family ready. I baked the pie, and I even made the dogs a Thanksgiving Kong, which had like mashed potatoes, cut green beans, dog treats, and boiled egg in it, and they devoured it. They loved it so much. So that was fun. And so now I'm about to pack everything up and head to my mom's place so we can get Thanksgiving celebration started together. I made the dogs a Thanksgiving Kong stuffed recipe, and they are going to town on them. They're so busy. Look what just happened! I'm so upset. Like, I was about to clean my French press because I used it today. Oh, Shinda. I was cleaning my French press because I used it today, and it fucking broke. Oh my gosh. This makes me so sad because I use this more than anything. I have a pour over and a machine, but I prefer my French press. Oh, I cannot believe this. Now I gotta get a new one. Great. Shit. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, and I spent time with my family, and we finished the day with like a little family walk at night. And so I got my steps in for the virtual challenge. And today, now is the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna be starting to put up all my Christmas stuff. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, and then the next video I put up will be all about Christmas stuff. I hope you guys have a great weekend and have fun hanging out with your family and have a safe holiday season. Bye.